We're going to continue with our 10 frame math thinking that we started last Tuesday. It's been a week. We had a board in front of us. Either you drew your two 10 frames on your whiteboard, on a blank piece of paper, or you pointed to my 10 frames. Those were your three options. So I would like you to now get out your whiteboards or a blank piece of paper, your choice if you need to set those up. Take this time now to pause and set those up, remembering two 10 frames. We look, there is a row of 5 and a row of 5 in one 10 frame because 5 plus 5 equals 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have 2 of these so that we could show numbers up to 20. So I'm taking this time now to get those out and then getting your tool out. If you are going to write on your whiteboard, you need some sort of dry erase marker. Or if you're going to do it on a blank piece of paper, you can either do it with a pencil or you could use tools like paper clips to represent the dots or ones or X's, whatever you're going to put inside. I usually write an X just to show. But I just realized, oh, there's my blue. Okay, so I'm ready. I have my tool out and ready to go. And I have this is going to be my eraser for right now. So getting those tools out. And then last week when we did this, I started out with kind of an easier number to get us started and remembering, thinking about 10 frames. And then each one I got a little bit more challenging. So this week I'm thinking we're going to start out on more of an easier one or a more simple one at the beginning. And then I'm just going to randomly choose a card afterward. And then we'll show with our 10 frames. So looking at our boards, and again, if you need to pause and take more time, go for it. Do that now. And then we are ready to start. So just like last time, I'm going to show you the number on the flashcard, and then you are going to either point, write, or put a tool on your 10 frame to show me that number. Okay, so our first flashcard is the number, what number is this? 2, right? Would you please show me this number using your 10 frames? Are we going to need both 10 frames or only one 10 frame? Right, only one 10 frame because this number is smaller than 10. So showing the number 2 on your 10 frame, showing the number 2. Okay, thumbs up when you're ready. Okay, I'm seeing almost everybody is ready. If you need more time, pause. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like in 3, 2, 1. Does your 10 frame look like this? Right, 1, 2. We can see 2 black dots. So if I were to do it on my 10 frame, I would have 1 X and 2 X's. That shows me 2 in my 10 frame. Okay, now I need to erasing my 10 frame. So now clear your board so you have an empty board, empty 10 frames. You're ready for the next one. Okay, I'm going to randomly choose in my pile here. To randomly choose. This number. What is this number? Right, it's the number 6. Can you show me the number 6 on your 10 frame now? Writing out the number 6 on our 10 frame. No. Is that going to fill up one whole row in the top? Right, because there's how many on the top? There's 5 in the first row, and we know 6 is 5 plus 1. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then how many more? 1. You are so ready. Okay. I'm going to show you. If you need to pause for a second so you can finish filling out your board, go for it. I'm going to show you in 3, 2, 1. Does your 10 frame look like this? Right. We talked about the top row is full because there's 5 boxes in the top row, and 5 plus how many more is 6? 1. So on my 10 frame, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we said 5 plus how many is 6? 1 row of 5 and 1 row of 1. That shows me 6 on my 10 frame. Okay, clear your board. Clearing my board with my eraser. And then I'm going to randomly choose the next number. Okay, this might be a teen number. This might be a number that is less than 10. Okay. I'm going to choose, I think this is upside down. Okay, I'm going to choose this number. What number is this? I think I heard it. What number is this? 12. Would you please show me 12 on your 10 frame? Are we going to need more than one 10 frame? Are we going to need to use both of our 10 frames on this? Right, because 12 is 10, and how many more? 12 and how many more make, or 10 and how many more make 12? Ooh, I think I heard it. Is this the number that you said? Right, 10 and 2 make 12. 10 and 2 more make 12. So showing me on your 10 frame, you can either point to mine, showing me what 12 looks like on my 2 10 frames, or doing it on your own board or paper. Okay, pausing if you need to. I'm going to show you what 12 looks like on 2 10 frames in 3, 2, 1. Is that what your 2 10 frames look like? Right. The first 10 frame is full because that shows us 10. And then 10 and how many more make 12? Right, 2. We can see that here. This 10 frame is full, and we have 2 more here showing us 12. So on my 10 frame, I know that I would need to fill up this whole thing because 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, thinking addition. So 10 and how many more make 12? 2. I have 12 on my 10 frame. On my 2 10 frames, because I used one and then another one. Okay, clear your board. To erase mine. Erasing your board or taking away your tools. Making sure you have 2 blank 10 frames. My board's starting to, next time maybe I'll have to make a board out of tape so I don't have to keep erasing the lines on my 10 frame. Just so that my lines are clear, I'm going to go over them one more time. Just so you know, you can see my 10 frame. Go over my lines. Okay, so I have my 2 10 frames. And I'm going to pull out a random card. Okay. They're falling over. Okay. Oh, I already did that number. The next number is this one. What number is this? Right, I heard it. 15. We know this is a teen number. We see the 1 in the ones place. Or 1 in the tens place and 5 in the ones place. It looks backwards for me on my camera. That's why I was confused. So we see 15. We have our ones place here. We have a 1. And I keep saying that. I'll look at it this way so I know that it's right. We have our 5 in our ones place and our 1 in our tens place. 15. Okay, showing me 15 on your 10 frames or pointing on mine to what 15 would look like. Pointing on my board or writing on your own, showing us what 15 looks like. We know, is 15 going to be 1 or 2 10 frames? How many do we need for the number 15? 1 or 2? Show me with your fingers how many we need. Did you show me this number? Right. We know that 15 is 10 and how many more? Right, 5. 10 and 5 more make 15. So looking at our boards, 10 and 5 more make 15. You think you got it? Okay, I see a lot of ready people. Remember, if you're not ready yet, just pause it and take a couple extra seconds, no problem. Okay, remember 15. I'm going to show you what that looks like on a 10 frame in 3, 2, 1. Is that what your 10 frame looks like? Right. We have 3 rows of 5 because 5 and 5 make 10 and 5 more is 15. So I'm going to write on my 10 frame. I know I need to fill up one whole 10 frame, which is 10. There's 1 row of 5. There's 2 rows of 5. So that is 10 because 5 plus 5 is 10. And then how many, 10 and how many more is 15? 5. So I have 3 rows of 5. So that also means 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. 5 plus 5 is 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15, or 10 and 5 more is 15. Okay, everyone, that is going to be it for our flashcards today and our 10 frames, but we will do some more on Thursday and keep going, and we'll see some more teen numbers and some more numbers below or smaller than the number 10. And yeah, we'll keep doing this every week and keep practicing our 10 frames so that we remember things that we learned before when we were in our classroom. We need to keep remembering those for when we go into second grade, or first grade too. Not second grade yet. Not quite. First grade, so we're ready with our 10 frame practice. Okay, I'll see you all then. Bye!